I just ask, man.
Why you ask that? Who else me that bring come here in front of me and Bubbles?
I don't know. Suppose I am carry my part.
So you really think me gonna bring Karen come here unannounced?
Never said that either. Just I say if I alone there, you alone, so yeah.
You feel me an idiot, not true? You think someone come here with Nessa, don't it?
Yeah, what? I'm going to use the bathroom. I just say I stay.
No, go and use the bathroom too.
I don't know, I don't know. It takes so long, man. Jeez! What will be man?
Whisper! Well, I get a call. I should return my weapon. Because I don't want any casualty. I don't have no need for it, so that I was told. Yup.
So, just because of that, you take away your weapon?
Yep, that I'm being insubordinate.
Yeah. You did go too hard still, you know. You have to learn to listen a little more.
Trust me, I get a full lecture from Bubbles yesterday.
I don't know when some Mullins going at that zone there, nobody can stop him. So, him take care of every case.
Yep. Bubbles said she go talk to him and see if him can put back on the Spanish Town case.
Yeah, because we need eyes over there, so.
I know. But remember, say them have German we can do it too. I guess he might punish me and I show me say, and me alone can do it.
Well, you know, say him kind of soft about it, so. You might hear something positive. Just keep your fingers crossed.
I don't think Bubbles can soften up that time here. At the first me ever go to the office, and Mullins walk past me.
I'm just a teacher, listen. But don't put it on your brain too much.
You tell you the truth? I know that depends on my brain.
So, how are they on your brain?
My mother.
What do you mean? You don't hear from her yet?
No. I need to rest from my head right now.
So she just gone off of the grid, so? You try bull phone too?
Come on, Whisper. What you mean? No must try film phone too.
Maybe after him forward back, she just gone somewhere with him gone Turkey.
And cut me off just so? No man, I know me that talk to her hard, but I don't expect she to change her number.
What you say to your mother?
I tell her say she's a friggin' idiot. I'm not gonna ever go to Muya and help her again. I tell her if I don't call back my phone. And she must forget say me's her daughter.
Jano, still, I still a old lady, you know. And after you deal the woman, so what you expect?
Whisper, you see what I go through for that apps here. And I can't believe the woman bail him. Or so I think.
You see why you have to jump to conclusion? See? Your emotions are lead. And I see a problem Mr. Mullins have with you.
Yeah. I think at this point, I really are going to do some sessions with Vanessa.
That's a good idea. You have to learn, you know. It's a learning process. All I will go through it. Because none of us ever know what we're supposed to do, or what we're supposed to do, until we get there.
You and Bubbles sound the exact same way.
That's because of the raw fact. And we never did the same place. I don't see your time now for face it.
Well, I gotta take it like a G. But I'm not gonna pretend that this not worry me. Just wanna know if you're alright.
Alright, just take it, just put it that way, you see? Maybe I'll share teach all this. Everybody will teach all this one time. Just hold up the stress, man, and yeah.
Whisper, you just tell me for all of my stress?
Yeah, so now you see everything when you tell you what to do. I have to stay so and just tough it out and yeah.
Me would never tell my man for all of him stress. Anything when I go through me, I go through with him too.
Well, and every woman I angel, you know. You know, yeah, one of you. And I could just give thanks for you.
So, you're a DJ now. Patsy ever tell you for all of your stress?
Let's see if she did tell me. I would appreciate it, you know. But she just left me for drowning in it.
So, she not call you or nothing? I check up on you?
No, you know. But I'm good, man.
So, she check my destiny?
I figure she call her every now and then.
That weird. Based from what you would tell me, are the same thing destiny man do?
Exactly my point. I have to tell you the truth. I really want to talk about that, you know. And you see, I have to make sure I take care of this thing. I mean, I expect nobody else to forward in my life and do it as how me would I do it. If Destiny Mother can turn her back, anybody else will. So you see me now, I limit my expectations of people.
I'm gonna tell you this. You do an excellent job as a single father.
I have to just do what I have to do. Something weird happened, you know. The camera go off, but every time I look, I don't see nobody up.
That's weird. Let me see it.
Sometimes I feel wonder if a bird a fly past or so, but I don't see no bird.
Whisper, you don't realize it look like a camera up on a loop?
Low. So, who would have do that?
Somebody will try access this thing.